Mangalayam Bhavato Vaivahaka. It's a very complex word, but it just means I wish you a very happy wedded life.
I cannot believe I'm here today in beautiful Santorini, marrying the love of my life with our closest family and friends.
My love, take a brief moment with me to gaze out, smile at, and appreciate those that gathered us today. You must be dancing, you must be clapping, we're gonna have music going.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you for hiding my crazy well. I guess this is what they call a partnership.
If you could only see how he was with my parents. He had such a special bond with them. And I know he wishes they could be here today. And Rick, I can tell you, they're here watching over you.
मैं गुमसुम हूँ इन राहों की तरह तेरे ख्वाबों में तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छुपा ना जाने क्यों है ये रोज का सिलसिला तू रूह की है दास्तां तेरे जुल्फों की ये नमी तेरी आँखों का ये नशा यहाँ खो भी जाऊं तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा.
When I told you last week that I hadn't yet written my vows, I wasn't entirely being honest. I'm pretty sure I started writing them soon after we met.
क्यों ये अफसाने इन लम्हों में खो गए हम घायल थे इन लफ्जों में खो गए थे हम अनजाने अब दिल में तुम हो छुपी हम हैं शहर की परछाइयाँ.
I promise to love you as we change when times get hard, when we're old and wrinkly, and even when you lick my face. I don't understand why you do that, but I love you anyway.
This is my song.
Is this all it's gonna be?
It's a jam, bro.
Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down and the sky turned pink. And is this all it's gonna be?
Yes, here comes the build up.
Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down and the sky turned pink.
Okay, next up is a maid of honor, Lindsay.
He didn't introduce me as his wife, so I'm a little offended, but...
She is my wife, I promise. Please welcome Rick and Ramya Gibb.
Walking on a tightrope, singing in the lifeboat. Why they wanna medicate me like a sick joke? And I don't wanna let go, never mind trouble. And if I get tummy ache, yeah, I'll just take a Pepto.
So, Rick, you are actually, getting one of the most amazing human beings.
Thank you, Ramya, for loving Rick. I'm thrilled you're a part of it.
And Rick did the classic glasses down and winks at me. And that picture of the two of them